In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi connected without internet connection on a Samsung device. So the first thing I always want you to try is to actually reset your router. So what I recommend that you guys do is unplug or turn off your router for around 30 seconds. After those 30 seconds, please go ahead and turn it back on and see if the Wi-Fi does work. Because sometimes what you need to do is you need to go ahead and fix your Wi-Fi in order for this to work. The next thing you need to do is you need to make sure that your Samsung device is actually in sync with the time. So what you want to do is you want to open up settings just like so. Then over here, scroll down until you see general management. So here it is. Then go ahead and select on date and time. And make sure that automatic date and time are turned on. Same thing with automatic time zone. And this is really important as well. Sometimes if your time is not aligned, then it's not going to connect you to the Wi-Fi. Also, what I recommend that you guys do is toggle on or off your Wi-Fi as well. So turn it off for like 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it back on and see if that does get the job done. Now, while we're here in settings, please go ahead and select on connections. And then here is your Wi-Fi. So you want to press on the gear icon just like so. And then what you want to do is you want to forget it. So due to privacy reasons, my screen is black right now, but there's going to be an option that says forget. So what you can do is you can forget your Wi-Fi and then reconnect to it and see if that fixes the issue. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.